do you take care of a baby?
We rock him. We hold him nicely. And we listen. Get the bottle for the baby. And feed them. And give them chocolate milk. And change their poopy diapers and take care of them. And the doctor pass it to them. And play with them nicely. And give them toys. And you feed them. Change their diapers. Oh man, that's a funny one. That is a funny one. Take care of the baby and play with him nicely. Take him outside. Play with him outside. That's what I said. Let him watch TV.
And that's how you take care of a baby.